Hey guys, this is Belinda with Willow, Birch, and Clover, and it's been a while since I made a video, and I've been working on some projects, and I decided it was time to share them. One of the things that I've been getting into lately is, well, not lately, but before junk journaling, was scrapbooking. I don't know if you all remember back in the early 2000s, you know, scrapbooking was all the rage, and then it evolved into digital scrapbooking, and there are still hundreds of thousands of women that love to scrapbook. I myself love to scrapbook, but recently I started to look for a way to combine my junk journaling with scrapbooking. And I've designed a few kits. I've got one up on Etsy now, and it's for this project, and I'm working to finish the others, but I wanted to stop and make a couple of videos pertaining to this kit. I want to demonstrate the kit for you, show you what's in it, and then make a couple of videos to show you how you would assemble each page in case you're interested in the kit. I'll put a link to it in the description box. But first of all, I wanted to explain the name of the kit is Junk Journal Signature Scrapbook Kit 1. And the reason why I call it my signature scrapbook kit is because the kit itself is designed to decorate a signature in one of your book signatures in your journal. And you can do them all in one signature like this and repeat it like 3 or 4 times to have a full journal with all these layouts. Or you could do one layout, you know, on the cover of 4 different signatures, or however you wanted to do it. You can mix and match them and combine them and end up getting a whole journal's worth of signature covers out of the kit I'm about to show you. And I just put together these pages, you know, to give you an idea of what I was talking about. This is how it would be sewn into your journal here. And this would be one of the signatures in your book. So I'd like to take you through it first and take a look. This is the front cover. And what this is designed for is to allow you to add your own family photographs to your junk journal layouts. And they look pretty and put together and cohesive, collaged already for you. It's very simple to do. These kits are super quick and easy. Once you get them cut out, they go down on the page like unbelievably fast. But what you can do if you're not interested in family scrapbooking is, in a couple of my journals, I have taken some old vintage photographs and cut them to size and used them in the layouts in journals that I have sold, so that you still get that scrapbooking look that's a very complicated collage layout, but you can use actual old vintage photographs on those instead of family photographs. It's kind of like, you know, whatever you wanted to do in each journal, you could. But anyway, it starts with this little, I call them little loop-de-loop ties. It's actually an envelope tie. And all of this is in your kit. The only thing not included in your kit are the staples, of course, that I have used because I like the look of staples. But keep in mind that you could sew with your sewing machine, just like I know a lot of you do. I do too, right onto your pages for that look. Or you could glue. You don't have to even staple, but I just wanted to show an option. And there are 2 little brads here through the tie circles. So the 2 brads and my staples aren't included, but I'll show you. The kit makes, you open it like this and like this, okay? There's a tag here and a tag here, and this is a layout for 2 photographs and a place for you to journal about each one. And you can also do some journaling or note-taking up here on the pages. And the tags, just very simple to put together, and it comes with backing paper to print on the back. Nobody likes a vintage style junk journal with stark white surfaces. That just kind of breaks the illusion, I know. These are white to show you where your photo would go, and there are templates included, numbered 1, 2, and 3, that fit whatever photograph is on the page, but when it's cut out, it will perfectly cover the white and leave, let me scoot this up to get it just right. And by the time you trace around it and cut, it's the perfect size to cover this without any white showing, so that each photo can have a little black outline around it there left, okay? Now that goes together like that, and then it makes a pocket in the back, and you can choose to make this pocket or not, but I put 2 more photographs, a journaling tag, and just a little decoration tag here, and that slides right in the back. And I left the tag over the front there because I thought that was a cute little decoration, okay? That's the first layout. The second layout is a lot simpler. You can either use it for just journaling or photographs. It's got these little camera-looking tags. There's one here, and there's one here that goes in this pocket down here, okay? What you can do is journal on back, or lay this on top of a photograph and trace around it to put an exact size photograph to cover the back, or photo one fits, leaving a border if you use your template that's included in the kit to cut it out. So you've got options there, but they're nice journaling cards. This is a little pocket here. And then these are little library cards that I just stapled little tickets to there that you can use for journaling. Because over here, you've got place for 3 photographs. One here. You would wait until your photograph is down before you glue this strip, and I'll show you that in the assembly video. But there's photograph 2, it's a little bit bigger, and then the largest photograph is photograph 3. All of these are sized for junk journals. You know, scrapbooks sometimes have 4x6 photos, and they take up a lot of room in a journal, you know, this size with a cover on it. So you need something smaller, and that's what I did. I sized it for journaling. And there's 2 little decorative tags that you can put on your photographs or choose to journal on and leave them tucked there. Okay, so that's page 2, page 3. And then page 4 is a pocket on the back cover with this little insert. And when you open it, it has a place for 3 photos, and it has journaling cards in the little pockets there. And there's 2 of them, okay? And that just fits right there. And like I said, this is your signature cover. So you get, and I'll show you exactly what you get in the kit. You get the cover sheet, and I include a printing guide to tell you, I printed my cover, you can see front to back here. So that it's, and I trimmed around my edges then. Because my printer leaves a white edge around my paper. But that's how I did that. And I'll show you here, I printed on both sides so you can see it. That's what I did with my cover page. All right, now you can choose your backing papers. It doesn't matter. Like here's one that's the dots. And then I think I use that on all of these. But the graph paper, there's the graph paper back one. You can just choose what you want to use on the backs of the papers, you know. But anyway, this paper, the first 3 pages go for the page 1. That's your flaps here, your pockets that are on the inside. But it's this page. There's your little circles. I like to double them up for a thicker closure here. There's your tags. This is the, and this is the little sheet that slides down. It makes this, the little slide behind, okay? And this is what decorates the insides of your pockets, okay? This was page 2. This sheet, that's this page. Okay. And then on the back of it, I printed the graph paper. I printed on the back of all of mine because that eliminates, like I said, that stark white. All right, then page 3 is this one. And that is this page. And this page. And as you can see, like this, I used it on a different page. I think you can move all these little decorations around in your journal. You don't have to, you know, use them on the pages that I have them, but, you know. And then the last page is this pocket. And this makes the little booklet. Let's see, where did I just throw that? Makes this little insert here. That's this. And then the inside of the little booklet, I'm kind of off screen on that, sorry. That's this page. Okay, so everything to make this entire journal signature cover is included in this one kit. And this is just the first kit. I'm going to design some more using the same type of paper. And I may add a few flowers to it in some different series, but I want to do some different scrapbooking layouts because I think, you know, making vintage style junk journals, that's a beautiful art all by itself. But when you can turn it into a family heirloom scrapbook that, you know, will have photos of family members or, you know, and if you don't, like I said, if you're not interested in that, if you make and sell your journals or give them as gifts and you just want to use the old vintage type style photos in these places, it's still going to make a beautiful layout. All right. So that's it. The kit is listed now in my Etsy shop. I'll begin my assembly videos. I should post my first one in the morning, and it's going to be 3 of them. I'm going to do this and this on an assembly video, these 2 pages together because they go down super quick, and then this one, just because it's got a separate insert, will be on the 3rd video. So there will be 3 assembly videos. All right? Thanks for watching. I hope you like the kit, and let me know what you think.